Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Flex Impact driver. We're going to be running a few tests here, see if it'll do it, just some basic tests. We're actually going to be doing another video, a versus video with another tool. Let me know down in the comment section which tool would you like to see this versus. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the first test, we're going to be running the bit that came in with the tool, just a regular deck screw. It's not a quick collar insert, so you do have to press this. It goes in. Let's see if this will do it. We'll just do it right here. And we're going to be doing it on mode number 3, mode with whatever they call it. This is mixed up already, so we're gonna need a new bit. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try it on speed 1. Try it on speed 1. So we're at speed 2. Alright, the next one down, we got a 1-inch spade bit. We're just going to do it right here. That was the speed number 2. So we'll go ahead and try it on speed number 3. This thing's a beast. We're gonna do another one. This is a 1 1/4. Like I said, this thing's a beast. I'm very surprised what this thing can do. The next thing we have is a 2.5-inch lag. It's a really small lag, so we'll go ahead and try this out. We get the Makita socket. So 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Alright, we got a big lag. This thing's about as thick as almost my finger. This is really thick. So you guys see here, we got a 3/4 inch Makita, 4-inch lag. This is a 4-inch piece of wood. Split the wood. Alright, let's do it one more time over here. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's take this off. Let's do a temperature check. 76. Internals are 105, 106, 99. Casing is 106, 87, 108, 108.6. This is like the top is the battery. 84, 94. Alright, so 108 was the hottest, let's see here. $104, $105. Well, I just want to say, guys, that so far I think this thing's a beast. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on with this. I'm going to go ahead and put this against top of the line Milwaukee Gen 3 next video. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and before I forget, battery check. We're at 3 bars.